Okay everyone, in part 2 of this video, we're going to go a little bit further down into Blue Heron. Slow turtles crossing. The turtles do cross this road. I came across a snapping turtle and I wasn't recording. But the turtles do cross this road. If you see a turtle, leave it alone. Admire it from afar because it can take your finger off. Now, if you can see, there is a turtle resting on the log. Just 2 days ago, this waterway was not bone dry, but it was very, very, very dry, very dry. You could see the sand underneath the water over here, and there were 12 turtles resting on that log that stretches out pretty far. That tree stretches out pretty far and crosses with another tree. You can't see any of that now. Look at one turtle chilling. Happy turtle. So we're going to go a little bit further down again. They have trails up. Trails. You can climb up and see what you want to see if you choose to go up there. Now, if you're with the camp, you may go up that hill. They explore this whole park. They have a beautiful summer camp here, full of interesting and lovely people who want to share their knowledge. Here's another trail. We were able to go to this trail. We call this is the River King Trail. Okay, we were able to come all the way down here and walk across where all of this water is. Now today you really cannot. You could walk all the way over to where that cement structure was. You know, and now it's just a day of rain. Look at there. You can see the water all the way on the other side of it. You can see it. There was a beaver dam that was caught there. It looks like the water has moved it along. But again, you see the trails? They're nice and set for you to check out what this park has to offer. And it has a lot to offer. Down further down into the trails, there is a creek. We're going to turn around. I'm going to take you to the mouth of that trail. You check it out. Now, if you come here, you do not have to go up to the buildings. I'm not going to go. This is a city park. And Blue Heron Nature Preserve is within this city park. So if you come here and you're looking for some instructions down the path, they don't have anything like that. There's no public bathrooms. They got a porta potty. So use the bathroom before you come. Or use the porta potty. So this is in the back of the driveway. The building behind us, which houses the school and the camp for Blue Heron's Nature Preserve. You have a trail that goes up the hill. That's the turtle trail also. You have a map of all the trails. stretches pretty far. Beautiful piece of land that was given. Maybe we'll get to the water. Let's see how far we can get. Because when it rains, this area floods. Last week when it rained, if I can get a good picture of it, I'll show you on the tree line. Nice sitting area. Come take a rest if you're tired from walking from the street to this point. But the rain might have washed off all the mud tree lines to show you how deep it actually got in here. But if you walk down, let's see, it's kind of wet in here. We'll see how far we can get over here. Step over. I'm trying to take you to the water. A lot of sand, beachy. I even saw a lady out here sunbathing. She scared me. Her bikini was bikini and barely there. I was a little bit shocked. Said, children, close your eyes. But they have a little beach here. Come on out. Bring your family. It's no cost. Costs nothing but your time. Look at this water. Look how close up this water was. Last week we had to climb down. There's a little beach right here. But right now, after the rain, you can't see that beach. The water comes all the way up the hill that we used to have to climb down to get to the water. Blue Heron Nature Preserves. I see a little one running through. Critter Camp. That's the critter camps. Thank you for visiting with me. Hope you enjoy Blue Heron's Nature Preserve.